So we will make our seared beef bowl. It has become, we're a poke restaurant, but the seared beef bowl is the second most popular, right behind the spicy tuna crunch. Surprisingly enough, So we do beef tenderloin. So we do a marinade of tamari, brown sugar, scallions, the togarashi spice, garlic, and ginger. It tastes pretty good, and it's been fun.
I can smell it just with the description. I can't wait to eat it.
Yeah.
So is it chunks or is it kind of shredded?
It's chunks. We break it down in house, and we try to make it into portions that are, we can just cut into like a poke dice. We kind of make it reminiscent of that, and then we sear it to about a medium, is what we aim for.
Makes everyone happy.
It does, and of course you can, ask for it cooked through or well done, whatever you'd like. To each their own.
Bloody rare.
Yeah. So
I want my rice to ooze bright red.
Yeah. So while this is kind of cooking, I'll build this bowl real quick. So we do a nice pineapple salsa. One of our appetizers is guacamole and pineapple salsa, and it also goes on this bowl. So it's, as you can see, we do a lot of slicing and dicing in-house. We serve up quite a bit of avocado here. Then we do a little bit of mixed greens. So a lot of thought and preparation went into our ingredients. You wouldn't think, just like a poke shop.
I actually really can't wait to try the steak with the pineapple. Something about the steak with the pineapple really intrigues me.
Yeah, it's a nice combination. We'll chop up the steak and then...
Oh yeah. Jordan, you're gonna love this. It's on our phone, should I care?
We'll just finish just like our other bowls.
Little sand, little salt.
Little sand, little salt. We'll finish this one with a little bit of crispy wontons, just to give it a little bit of crunch. Yeah, and then so here's our beef bowl.
Here's the beef bowl. Jordan, you're welcome. This guy hooked you up. Cheers. Oh man, this is gonna be amazing. Thank you.
Yeah, enjoy.
Meow. Okay, so as to not torture you all day today, because I do love you very much. Here is steak. It's a steak bowl. It's a steak poke bowl. So filet, your favorite steak. Good. And then just some avocado, rice, and pineapple that's all gonna go together really well.
Okay, well I'm gonna squeeze my fork here.
You use your fork, get on steak. Steak is amazing. All those marinades, all that flavor is right inside that steak, and it is to die for. Thanks, Cal.